The ingredients for today's recipe is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of quick cooking rolled oats, 3 eggs, 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 cup of shortening, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cream the shortening, and I'm going to move you. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the shortening into the mixer, and we're going to cream this real well. We're going to use the paddle attachment, and you can definitely use this with your hand mixer. Okay, we're going to give this a scrape. You want that real light and fluffy. Okay, we're going to add the sugars, both sugars. We're going to add the eggs one at a time. Oops. Add the vanilla. And then we're going to stop and give the bowl a scrape. Make sure everything. Okay, now we are going to take our flour. We're going to mix our baking soda, our salt, and our cinnamon. And we're just going to give this a little bit of a whisk just to make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, we're going to start adding this to the wet ingredients. Okay, we're going to start adding the flour, about a half a cup at a time. You don't want to overbeat this, just until it's incorporated. Start adding our oats. Our pecans. Finally, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. And that's it. Okay, now we have the dough ready. I have some lined cookie sheets. I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees, and we're going to scoop out some cookie dough. And I just scoop out this size. You know, you can pick out the size, whatever size you want. You can do this by hand. You don't need a cookie scooper. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'm going to bake them, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, the cookies are out of the oven, and they look and smell delicious. Now, I did have to leave these for 16 minutes at a 350 degree oven. And I left them, they're still warm, just till they're golden brown like that. But you want to leave them to cool here for about 5 minutes and transfer them to a cooling rack. And then store as usual. Okay guys, that concludes the video for today. I will have the recipe listed in the link below. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.